my name is Del C. Arnold. I'm the CEO and founder of Asfaleia Designs, and today we're going to be doing a review of our diaper bag. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I want you to notice is the nice design of the bag. We designed all of our bags in Italy, and so they were made out of vegan leather, so very nice quality material. And we'll start right here on the front. Here we have a pocket that you can put your beverages in, whether it's juice or milk. The pockets are insulated, so you can keep it cold or warm depending on what you have. We also have a nice little mesh pocket right there as well, so that opens up really nicely for you. Have several pockets on the side as well, and then of course I want you to notice the hardware. That's steel logo, custom logo for Asfaleia. Very nice hardware on the back as well for the straps. And of course you can carry it as a shoulder bag. You can actually move this. It's kind of really neat. You can move this to the back if you want to do that. And then of course we also have a handle here as well. You can grab that handle if you want to carry it that way. And lastly, if you want to carry it as a backpack, it has backpack straps, so you can do it that way too. It adjusts very easily, so you can see how easily that adjusts. Very nice hardware on that. And of course now I want to talk to you about the Magnetic Retention CCW Pockets. So as you know, in our industry, most people have the zippers on the side of the bag. And so the situation with that is, if somebody attacks you, you have that fight or flight syndrome, also known as the adrenaline rush, and all the blood basically goes to your core, trying to keep that together, and it leaves your extremities, such as your fingers. And what happens is you literally lose feeling in your fingers at that particular time. So when you're trying to grab those small zipper pulls, it's a very difficult thing to do, especially when you're under that pressure from being attacked by the individual. So what we have done, Asfaleia Designs has created a patent pending magnetic retention CCW pocket enclosures. So this one right here is actually a pocket, and then on our handbags we have a closure. It basically replaces the zipper that's on the top of the bag for the main entrance. You can open it up very quickly. But for this right here, this is our closure, or our pocket, and it does have a holster in there. You can reach in there, grab your weapon, and very quickly deal with the threat that's at hand, instead of trying to fumble over zippers and things of that nature. So that's the purpose of that. Very highly sought after. So let's go ahead and we're going to move it around to the front now. And I want you to understand that this is not just a diaper bag. This is also a ballistic armor self-defense bag. So no matter where you can go to the movies, you can go to church, you can go to different events, anywhere in public, or you can just really keep it by your bed if you wanted to. It has a ballistic armor plate pocket inside that allows you to carry different types of ballistic armor. So we have two different levels of ballistic armor that you can put in here. We have a level 3A that will stop most pistols, shotguns, things of that nature. And then of course we have a level 3, so it's a thicker plate, and it will stop AKs, AR-15s, and 308s, things of that nature. So it's definitely a heavier plate, but it does do the job. And so you can essentially take this bag and use it as a shield if you're ever in an active shooter situation. Also, the hard plates are really cool because you can use them as a strike-proof plate as well, and stab-proof as well. So somebody tries to stab it, they try to hit it, you can throw the bag up, and it can block those advances. So let's go ahead and look inside now. So here's a real nice zipper. It is an adjustable bag. It has two snaps on the side. On the inside of the bag, it has two pockets, one on each side, and then some pockets on the front as well. Kind of hard to see, but I can kind of tilt the bag like that so you can see it. The lining is a waterproof custom Asfaleia lining, and then of course we do have a zipper right here as well. And I'll try to show you that. You can see the zipper. It's a nice little pocket. You can put different things inside there as well. But the main thing inside here, and it's actually very spacious. We have some stuffing in there now. But you have a lot of room to put all the things that you need for your baby, or even after your baby grows up, you can take this bag and you can use it. You can use the insulated pockets for like sodas and things like that if you're going to go on a picnic. So it definitely will last a long time. You'll get many years of usage out of it. So, but this right here, this is the Ballistic Armor plate pocket. And so basically we specifically designed this pocket to hold the Ballistic Armor. And so this one has a plate in it that is a 10x12 plate. This is the level 3 that I was telling you about. It does stop pistols and shotguns. So it's a very nice plate. You can see more of this online at our website. And we have the videos up there, shows how very capable this plate truly is. So check that out. You definitely don't want to miss that. But that is the plate pocket that just fits in there like that. You tuck it in, and then it's all held in place nice and snug so it doesn't move around. And essentially what it does is it allows you to use the bag as a shield to cover your vital parts. So there you have it. There is our new diaper bag, CCW with magnetic retention pockets in ballistic armor. You can check it out online at www.asfaleia.designs.com. That's ASFALEIA designs.com. Please sign up for a monthly newsletter as well. We have some discounts for people who do that. And then also don't forget to like and share us on Facebook. And we appreciate you taking the time out and watching the video today. Thank you so much.